Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Ielts winner. Hope you are doing fine. This video is all about the essential synonyms for Ielts. Okay, these are all the important synonyms that are very common in our all Ielts essays. Whether you are writing on any topic, these vocabs will help you to boost your lexical resources band, as well as it will show your advanced vocabulary. You need not go and worry about the topic specific vocabulary, because these are the synonyms that are most repeated ones. First one is important. So you can find this PDF is also uploaded on our Ielts winners channel Telegram, and the link is given in the description box. So you can go and download the PDF. It also has at the end topic specific vocabularies as well. So you can go through them all. So the first one is important, which is indispensable, paramount, essential, crucial, vital, imperative, and compelling. Next is various, innumerable, profuse, copious, abundant, assorted, heterogeneous, and variegated. Many, multitudinous, sundry, multifarious, obtain, myriad, diverse. Diverse means several. Next common word is essay. So you can write all these words instead of essay. Discourse, composition, treatise, dissertation, disquisition, monograph, and exposition. Next common word is example. Exemplar, illustration, instance, case in point, and paradigm. Next is explain. Elucidate, explicate, expound, delineate, unravel, untangle. Next common word is view, especially it comes in discuss both views. So standpoint, stance, perspective, slant, and approach. Conclude, culminate, wind up, put a period to, terminate, set the seal on, and surmise. Next again is discuss, debate, ventilate, talk through, chew over, and scrutinize. Mind you that all these words are formal. So whenever you are looking for synonyms, see whether it is formal or informal. Do not use informal words. Next is for advantage. You can, instead of writing advantage, these are the different words that you can use in your advantage, disadvantage essay. These are for disadvantages: drawback, pitfall, stumbling block, dark side or downside, hiccup, hindrance, obstacle, and impediment. Next, problem solutions. So issue, complication, hurdle, setback, snag, hitch, and rub. For cause, you can say source, root, origin, base or starting point, fountainhead, phone set, origo. That is a French word and it is formal, so you can use genesis. Next one is for solution, remedy, way out or panacea, countermeasures, and quick fix. These are the words that you can use for I agree. Instead of saying I agree, you can use all these words. Instead of disagree, you can use all these words. If you want to say argue, there is an argument. People argue over something. So you can use these words: squabble, wrangle, altercate, and bicker. Most common word, people. So whenever you want to refer to people or citizen, resident of some place, you can use all these words. Humans, folks, individuals, ethnic group, persons, clans, citizens, dwellers, or residents. So for country, for government, for foreign, So all these words, instead of repeating the word computer or work or education or crime again and again in your essay, you can use these kind of words in different places to avoid repetition of words. So you can get the PDF from the Telegram channel. So don't worry about it. You can pause the video and write down and make your notes. So this is very important. And these are the most common words. So after that, you need not worry much about the topic specific vocabulary. If you think that you're not able to learn topic specific vocabulary and boost your lexical resources, this is the alternate way to improve your lexical resources band. So these are all the common topics that are coming nowadays, and these all words can be used in your essays and show your lexical resource. So for holiday, for living means living in some place. I am residing in, I am living in. This will also be helpful for your speaking, not only writing essays, but also for your speaking. Then finance related, something comes to finance, so you can use all these words in one way or the other. And business, instead of saying large business, a small business, you can use all these words. Then doing business means they were doing business, they were earning something. You can say marketing, trading, dealing, merchandising, buying and selling, import and export. Goal, whenever the question comes about ambition or goals, you can use these words. And when you want to say someone achieved something or it can be achieved, so you can use these words in past tense. Advertisements, commercials, ad, publicity, notice, promoting. So instead of saying ad and advertisement all the time, you can use all these words. News, many of my students repeat news again and again everywhere. So instead of saying news, you can say use all these words. To stop something, it can be stopped, so you can use these words. Reduce. After this, there are 15 common topics for the 15 common vocabularies. Okay, so first one is people, second one is vocabularies in the topic health and fitness. These are all band 7, 8 and 8.5 level. Science. Okay, then community. So these topic specific vocabulary, you can get it from our Telegram channel. So hope this has helped you to understand what kind of words you must use in your essays, and this will help you a lot to reduce your tension and anxiety of learning topic specific vocabulary. So for many such things, if you have any doubts, do comment in the comment section, and do subscribe to our channel and share it more, and go through the predictions for November and December month. See you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.